In today's video, I want to talk about something really important. How do I start selling on Amazon FBA in 5 steps? But it's not going to be about the usual steps that you need to take, like product discovery, sourcing, etc. If you want me to make a video on this, please comment below the video. But in this video, I want to talk about prerequisites, that some decisions you need to make in order to be successful. And there's going to be a lot of freebies as well in this video, so definitely stick around to the end of this video. So let's get started with number 1. How do I start selling on Amazon in 5 steps? Well, first of all, you need to make a real commitment, because Amazon FBA can sometimes be hard if you don't do it right. So we need to commit fully to it and don't fall for the shiny object syndrome, basically jumping from one thing to another. Let's say you can't find a product for like two weeks or something, and just say, oh, it doesn't work, it's not going to work out, I'm not making any money, and you just jump on another thing. This is not the way to go. Amazon FBA is a real business. It requires full commitment, and it requires sometimes a lot of work, especially at the beginning, because then once you are successful, you can actually automate a lot of tasks, you can hire virtual assistants, and you can make this business pretty much running on autopilot, just making the key decisions within your business. But it's going to take a while to get there. So this is number 1. You need to make a full commitment to make it work. Number 2, you need to learn, okay? And you have a few ways of doing that. The first way is to basically learn Amazon FBA from YouTube. There is like tons of videos, hundreds of videos online that you can actually watch, go through and learn. And this is exactly how I learned in 2017. But you need to be ready for a lot of confusion, because there is a lot of confusing information in this video, and a lot of the information is outdated because Amazon algorithms, Amazon itself is evolving. There is a lot more competition right now than it was in, let's say, 2018. So you need to be ready to spend considerable amount of time doing your research, having your eyes open, and going through all this information. You will be confused, definitely, but it is possible to learn from YouTube. That's how I started. But I literally spent about 200 hours learning Amazon FBA from YouTube. So while it is possible, you need to invest time. Okay, you need to invest time to do this. The second way to learn is to find a mentor. And you can find a mentor in a few different versions. The first one, the most obvious one, I say, is having a online course. And in terms of the online course, if you wanted something like that, we do have an offer, special offer in a Discord, a community right now, and you can literally get access to all the VIP content right now. This is an introductory offer, WealthX Project University. We've got the full Amazon FBA course. We've got crypto wealth, we've got copy trading, we've got success DNA, and you can get access to these for like $17 per month right now. This is a very limited offer, so the price will go up. So if you want to grab this offer, you can, but be quick. And also you can learn one-to-one. Okay, so having a mentor doing the personalized coaching, it will definitely speed up your career, but you need to budget a little bit more for that. Okay, having a mentor, having an online course, doing the personalized one-to-one coaching has major benefit. And not only you get the content, you get the knowledge, but you also get the experience. You learn from the experience of your mentor. So this is super important, because there is a lot of experience going on and involved in doing Amazon FBA online business. So having that experience can prove invaluable, basically. Okay, and you also get motivation. So there will be times potentially when you want to give up. Okay, and when you want to give up, your mentor, your coach, the one you choose but to work with, you can always ask them for help. You can always ask them for additional motivation, and you can always ask the community as well, because a lot of these courses, such as R, have a substantial community where you can ask more experienced sellers, etc., for opinion, for help, for additional motivation, etc. So we are not doing this alone. And the third way you can do this is to have a done for you Amazon business. Okay, so if you want to do it quicker, if you are not fully confident yet, you can hire somebody to build an initial business for you. Okay, and if you want to do this, we do have such option. You just need to book a call. There will be a link in the video description below. But generally speaking, this is where the people you hire will do the work for you. They will find the product, they will source the product, they will ship the product for you to Amazon warehouse, and you can sit back and relax. However, this is the time where you need to spend learning. Okay, so you need to observe patiently, and you need to observe exactly what they are doing, how they are working out your product offer, etc., to learn from them, to be able to take over this business and launch your second, third, fourth product by yourself. Okay, so you obviously need to budget a little bit more for that, but you will learn alongside. So you have the professionals doing the business for you, and you learn alongside what they are doing. So either way, you need to make the commitment, and step number 2 to start selling on Amazon is you need to learn. Okay, so what is the step number 3? The step number 3 is to be persistent. So once you learned how to do Amazon FBA, you need to be persistent, and you need to be patient as well, because you need to allow time, and you need to allow time for things like product discovery, talking to suppliers, and even the time it takes to ship the product from your supplier to Amazon warehouse. So generally speaking, you need to be patient and persistent. You need to allow about 2 to 6 months for your first product to reach Amazon warehouse and start selling. And remember, it takes, I think, about 2 to 4 weeks for Amazon to actually make the first payment to you. So you need to take this into account as well. So be persistent, allow proper time, so set proper expectations for the product discovery, for product shipping, for talking to suppliers, etc. Product discovery itself can take a week, but it can take 3 months, and you don't really want to rush this process. You need to work it out, and you need to pick the product that works for you, for your brand, and for your personal circumstances, for your budget, etc. Okay, so you don't give up during that time. You basically do this patiently and persistently. So this is the step number 3 in starting to sell on Amazon FBA. Step number 4, you don't cut corners. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, the first way people cut corners is they are trying to save time, like I said. So they are trying to just find a random first product and sell it on Amazon, or they are saving time with product photography, something else. Okay, they are trying to get this product shipped, to get this product up and running as soon as possible, rather than just taking their time and trying to do this properly. Okay, the second way people cut corners is money. So again, the first thing is they save time, and the second thing is they save money. And how do you say, what do I mean by that? Well, basically what they do is they don't spend enough money on creating materials, creating high quality materials for their products, which is going to sell your product somewhere down the line. Okay, so things like, for example, product photography, things like digital products like ebooks, etc., things like proper descriptions for the product, maybe a website, maybe social channels, maybe artwork, maybe branding, etc., etc. So they are not budgeting this in, first of all, when they are looking for the product, And second thing, then because of that, because the profitability is tight, they are trying to save money wherever they can. Okay, and if you are one more thing, if you are watching, if you are going through an online course of a person who has years of experience on Amazon, don't try to be smarter than them, because they have done it. Okay, they've been in the business for multiple years, I don't know, 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, or even longer, and they know what is working and they know what does not work as well. Okay, so follow the steps and don't cut corners here. Do what the online course is telling you to do, if that's the route you are taking. Okay, that was number 4. And let's talk about number 5. You need to chunk it down, because there is a lot of steps involved in Amazon FBA. Okay, so take a look at this. I'll explain what it is in just a second, but there is a lot of steps involved in Amazon FBA. And if you take it all at once, you just gonna basically get overloaded and most probably give up. So take it in small chunks. First of all, learn what is the overview of the process. And we do have this roadmap, okay? And I do have also a tutorial on that. So you can grab this roadmap and you can grab the tutorial video in a free Discord, okay? Free resources, go to Amazon FBA, and somewhere here we've got the roadmap. There it is. So you can download the roadmap and you can copy the roadmap and you can watch the tutorial. It will tell you everything you know about the overview of the process. So you need to learn the overview, and that's it. Don't learn everything. Go step by step. So what do I mean by that? Well, first of all, let's say do the product discovery. Don't do all the course, all the online course, all the videos, because there is like, I think our course has like over 100 to 150 videos. So basically don't do all videos at once, just take it in small steps. Do product discovery step first, then do profitability, then do validation, etc., etc. Okay, so go step by step, and after watching each of the videos, take necessary action, and that way you will do a consistent progress from video to video, from tutorial to tutorial, without overloading yourself. Okay, so that is the 5 I think even more important steps than the tactical steps such as product discovery, etc. Like I said, if you want me to make a video on those, I can. Just comment down in the video, basically below the video, and I will do a separate video on the tactical steps, okay? But these are, I think, more important, because if you don't make the commitment, if you don't make the dedication to learn, if you are not persistent, and if you cut corners, and if you don't chunk it down into small steps, then you will fail. So this is my view on that. Now, let's go and talk about freebies. Number 1, Discord community, guys. I've got like a lot of free materials, a lot of stuff, free stuff for you here. Webinars, web classes, challenges, videos, articles, not only on FBA, but also on crypto, on unlocking your mindset potential, on money, health, books, and affiliate marketing is coming soon as well. So there's like tons of materials. So join that community. It's free to join. There is like a lot of materials. And if you want to join the VIP WealthX Project University, like I said, I am running a special offer right now. So that's freebie number 1. Freebie number 2 is the ultimate Amazon Entrepreneur Jumpstart Pack. Okay, it's completely free. Just enter your name and email address. The link will be in the video description below as well. When you register today, you will get 2 massive guides. You will get the 5-day video course on finding hot products. This is really detailed video, 5 hours of training, exclusive Amazon roadmap as well, and access to a private FBA community. So if you want those links in one place, then just go to this A link is going to be first link in the video description below. Enter your name, email, and you will get an email with all these links. You will know where to look for them, okay? And also this roadmap, like I said, is included in the Ultimate Amazon Entrepreneur Jumpstart Pack. So you're going to get the link to this exact board. You can copy that board, you can duplicate it into your Trello space, and you will be able to use this for your Amazon FBA business. So that is it from me for today. This was the video about how do I start selling on Amazon FBA. Remember, grab your Ultimate Amazon Entrepreneur Jumpstart Pack, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much, and bye-bye.